I'm Alex Chrissy, Senior Editor of Fleet Equipment Magazine, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Today's heavy-duty engines have evolved to incorporate modern technology and to adhere to emissions regulations, and that means their components have had to evolve with them. From a maintenance standpoint, one result of this is that when a problem comes up, it's not so simple to determine what the root cause is. Say, for instance, you think there's an issue with a filter. First, you need to determine whether that's the case, figure out which filter is behind the issue, and then take the necessary steps to fix it. One important early step is to identify the specific problem and whether it's being caused by the air, oil, or fuel filter, or none of the above. Different problems crop up with different types of filters, so what's going wrong may give you an indication of which part is to blame. Once you've identified which filter is the culprit, you can proceed to the repair process. If you want more in-depth trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.